So today our topic is image reference, and we will see that how we can use image references and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus button and you will find this small pop-up. You have to click upload a file, and from here, from your system, you have to choose a picture. Now I will choose this picture and click open and hit enter or click, and your picture will be uploaded here. So here is our picture. We will click on it, right click, copy image address or copy link, both are same. So we will click on it and our link will be copied. Come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. Now we have to paste our link of this picture here. So with the help of Ctrl V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write prompt. So here is our prompt. You can see and read: a futuristic detective investigating a murder on a street of a futuristic city with lights and neon signs, Noah HDR 8K. So we can click on it and we will see that what MidJourney will provide us. So here are our pictures that MidJourney has provided us. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. So U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, so you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4. Same as V1 to V4 mean if you want to make 4 variations of each pic, you have to click V1, V2, V3 and V4. This is reroll button. If you will click on it, MidJourney will provide you 4 more pictures. So let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of this picture. So here is our full quality picture, and we have to choose either we want to upscale or want to make variations. So in case we will go there, we will click on V3. So here are 4 pictures that MidJourney has provided us. Now we will click on it and open it in a new tab, so we can see the full quality of this picture. So these are 4 variations, and if you want to upscale any of these pictures, we have to just click on U1 to U4. But we will click on U2 because we want to upscale this picture. We will click U2 and MidJourney will give us this result. And this is our final result. We will see that here. But if you want to make more variations, you have to click on it. Otherwise, if it is okay, then this is our final picture. And I wish this video will help you to edit your own pics in MidJourney.